Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be washing my protective braids, and I've had this hair for 2 weeks and a couple of days now, and the scalp is looking a bit dirty and some dry scalp. I'm seeing a little bit of dry scalp, so I'm gonna wash it and make sure it's properly clean because I need this hair for 1 more week. And also, if you haven't seen a video on how I make this hair, I'll put the link in the description box down below. So right now I'm starting by wetting the hair before going in with shampoo, just making sure the roots, everything is properly coated with water. Next, right now I'm gonna go in with a shampoo, and this shampoo is tea tree shampoo, and I'm just applying a little bit, just putting a little bit of my palm and then rub it together before going into my scalp. So right here I'm just going in to apply the shampoo. So next I'm gonna go in and massage the shampoo into the scalp, into the root. So right here I'm using my fingers, not the fingernails, my fingers. So I'm laying it flat in between the cornrows to make sure I massage the shampoo into the scalp, into the roots, and between the braids to get rid of the dead skin and also the products and all that. So just taking my time going in between each braids, in between each cornrows, massaging that into the scalp. So there is no need to rush on this part. Just take your time, be gentle, and don't try to scratch it because that will leave a bruise. So, and it's not good for your scalp. Okay, just take your time, massage the shampoo into the scalp, and yeah. So right now I'm going ahead to rinse out the shampoo, and also I did the same thing, I massage the shampoo on the back section of my braids, and now I'm just going ahead to rinse out the shampoo. Okay, so the shampoo part is done. The next step now is to apply your conditioner. So I'm going in with a generous amount of conditioner. So I'm just putting that on my palm, and I'm gonna rub that together before going in to apply it on the hair. So, and I'm focusing it on the roots of my braids, not the ends, just the roots, because I want that to be properly taken care of. So to make sure the conditioner is properly distributed in between my braids, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to thin out the conditioner. Just right there, add a little bit of water. So now I'm gonna go ahead and massage the conditioner into the scalp, in between the braids and between the cornrows. Just taking my time to massage that in. So I massage that in for about a minute before going into rinse out the conditioner. Okay, so next right now I'm going ahead to rinse out the conditioner, and I'm making sure it's properly rinsed, making sure there's no product left on the braids. So rinse the roots, rinse the body of the braids, the tip of the braids, and all that. So yeah, just making sure it's properly rinsed. Almost done. So I'm just making sure the the tip of the hair is well rinsed and well washed too. You don't want to forget about the tip of the hair. So that should also be taken care of. Alright, so almost done. So right now I'm going ahead to squeeze out the excess water on the braids. Okay, so the next step now is to dry the braids, and I'm gonna do that using a hand dryer. Since I've already used warm water to wash my braids, I didn't want to add more heat to my braids. So right here, I set it into medium, and also the bottom of the handle of the hand dryer, the blue button right there give you cold air. So I press it down in order to get it cold air to dry the braids. So yeah, I don't need more heat. So okay, so now that the roots of the braids is fully dry, so right now I'm gonna go in and apply some hair product to moisturize the scalp. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of hair cream and rub it together on my palm, and before going ahead and massaging into the scalp. And also I applied it on the body of the braids and the tip of the braids. So right now I'm just going in between the braids with the hair products. Okay, so I went ahead and laid down my edges off camera. So this is the finished result. Okay, all done. My scalp is looking clean and shiny. My scalp is breathing like this is good. It's good feeling once your scalp is all cleaned and relieved of the dirt and dry skin. It feels good. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and also thumbs up this video if you find it helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.